we're going to show you how Liam eats his healthy breakfast. He's going to juggle apple, onion, and lemon like so. Impressive, isn't it?
Good, that, isn't it?
Yes.
Can you hear me without my mic on?
It still picks up quite a bit. Anyway, we're going to need some help, because when the apple, which is that one, gets to that left hand there, we're gonna need some help. We want you all to shout now as loud as you can.
As loud as you can.
And when that happens, he's going to swoop the apple up, take a bite. Yes, very overdramatic swoop there. Take a massive bite, and then he's going to continue juggling. What happened there?
You went pop. So we welcome our boys from Barrule back on to help us. Come on, boys.
Come on, boys. Right, so remember, when the apple is in the left hand, shout now as loud as you can. Should we give it a try? Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Now! 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 No! Stop! That's not the apple!
The apple!
Green one. Try it again. Right, here we go. Now! Do you know what an apple looks like? Oh, no.
The apple!
Not on the suit.
Right, we'll try it one more time, and if I get it, I'll eat the whole apple, okay?
All right, should we do it again? Last chance.
My hair's in my eyes.
Now! Yeah, keep going, now! 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 Oh, it's falling on the floor! Keep going now! Come on now! 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 Come on now! Now! Give him a round of applause, that was brilliant. Although, yeah, some of that ended up on the floor. Liam, you okay? Just swallow it. Just. Do you need some time?